Welcome to my small world. So, hello. Gusto ko lang kayong bigyan ng idea about sa game. Bird domination yung name kasi kailangan mo i-conquer every bird na nag-i-exist. Though isa pa lang naman yung meron, which is yung ginawa ko. Yan. And siguro madadagdagan yung board someday if ever, kung makahanap ako ng isang creative being sa aking mga kalahok. So pag-usapan muna natin yung sa akin. Yeah. So this is what my board looks like, and walang meaning yung Bird of the Dead sa content ng aking board. And may card din pala siya, guys. Ito yung likod ng card ng board game ko. And parang ganito naman yung harap. Yung game is parang mixture siya ng Snake and Ladder and Uno cards with a twist. And yung game pala is face to face dapat. Ito naman yung parang image ko sa game. Like, nagpe-prevent sa mga magko-conquered sa aking board. Magdo-dominate. And of course, my prize yung board ko, like a treasure. And meron ding mga certain rules in game. And a lot. So yung next is Percy. Yan yung mga kalahok sa aking game na may potential na maging preventer. And yung Percy pala na word is I just made that up. Hihihi. And this is TNT. Nangunguna sa aking board. And presently, may isa akong Percy. And 14 participante. And 10 na game over sa aking board game. Yun lang. Kung may mga katanungan, comment down below.